Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Info Girl with another credit game changer. Now, today I'm giving you the real method people are using in 2026 to get closed accounts removed fast. And when I mean fast, I mean 7 to 14 business day fast. Now, if you are wondering, yes, closed accounts can hurt your credit score. And if yours have the wrong dates, wrong payment history, or wrong statuses, you do not have to keep it there. So today I'm breaking down why closed accounts lower your credit score, when you can legally remove them from your credit report, the exact dispute wording, step by step on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and mistakes that people do that stop them from getting these items removed off of their credit report. Now, if you're wondering why closed accounts hurt your credit score, now most people think once an account is closed, it cannot hurt your credit score, which is wrong. Now, closed accounts can still report late payments, they can still report the wrong balance, they can still report the wrong date of last activity on that account, they can still report the wrong status code, and that can keep your score 20 to 60 points lower. So before we dispute, you need to understand why you're removing it. Now, the law says any information that is inaccurate, outdated, or unverified must be deleted. Now, you can legally remove closed accounts. Now, I am not telling you to delete good payment history. We're only removing closed accounts that are hurting you because the data is wrong. Now, you need to understand the FCRA Section 602 and 611. The Bureau must delete or fix anything that is inaccurate, unverifiable, incompleted, reporting wrong dates, or reporting wrong payment history. All of that must be deleted again under Section 602 and 611. Now, closed accounts are usually full of errors, and that's exactly why these dispute work. So stick around in this video so that I can tell you step by step, wording by wording, on how to get a closed account removed from your credit profile. Things to check before you dispute. Now, you want to make sure that you pull your full credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Now, check each closed account for the wrong last payment date, the wrong status, the wrong balance, the wrong date that that account was open, the wrong date that the account was closed. Late payments you didn't happen. Payment histories marked unknown, duplicates account, different information on each credit bill. If anything does not match, it is disputable, okay? So keep that in mind. If anything does not match on all three credit bureaus, it is disputable. So if one account on TransUnion it has 500 and on Experian it has 800, you can dispute that because obviously they do not and cannot report inaccurate information. The dispute wording is so powerful in 2026. Now, make sure you send this to all three credit bureaus. I'm also going to write this down in the pinned comment below. But if you are watching this video, you can go ahead and screen record this. Now, this is what you're going to say in order to get them to remove the inaccurate or closed account information off of your credit report. Now, I am requesting an investigation under the FCRA 602 and 611. The closed account listed below is reporting inaccurate and inconsistent information. Please provide full documentation verifying the accuracy of all dates, payment histories, and statuses. If you cannot verify the information, delete the account immediately. Then, after you write that, you want to list the creditor name, the partial account number. Do not give them the full account number. What's wrong in your ID and proof of address. Now, how do you file it online or mail? Now, you want to go to Experian.com/dispute. Okay, if you're working with Experian, you're going to upload your letter, attach your ID, select incorrect information, and then you're going to proceed on to account information. Okay, and then if you're going to do it from Experian or Equifax, you're then going to go to myequifax.com, select the closed account, click I need to dispute this account. Then if you're going to be working with TransUnion, go to dispute.transunion.com, choose balance, date, status, incorrect. Do not choose I don't recognize this account. Keep it strictly about wrong date. Again, for TransUnion, you're going to choose balance, date, status, incorrect. Again, do not choose I don't recognize this account. Okay, so then what happens next is that the credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate, but closed accounts that can't be verified often get removed in 7 days or 10 days or even 14 days. You will get an email or letter saying updated or deleted or verified. We'll fix that in round 2. So, part 2 is if they verify it, right? If they lie and say it's verified, send this, okay? You guys are ready? Make sure that you are screen recording this, all right? So, you have verified information without providing proof. Please send documentation from the original creditor with full payment history and date accuracy. If you cannot delete this account immediately under the FCRA 611A1A, this forces me to either produce documents using or usually they can't. So they're never going to be able to provide documentation or force them to delete the account. Now, this is how we're going to get them again if the account can be verified. Now, what I don't want you guys to do is don't dispute everything at once. You want to do it one at a time. Don't say it's not your account. Don't use the word fraud unless it truly is fraud. Don't leave dates and balances unchallenged. You want to make sure that you challenge them, okay? So I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something today, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I drop videos every week to help you fix your credit, grow your score, and get approved for the cards and funding you deserve. Now, if you need dispute letters or a full kit, comment credit below. Also, you can leave a comment below and I'll go ahead and send you more information on how you can get your credit repaired with your own situation. Now, until next time, I will see you all in the next video.